last 2 months, I have been sending you all some articles, some posts, some videos, basically mentioning about how to take care of yourselves in this COVID pandemic and how to boost your immunity. And one request or one question that I've been repeatedly getting is, uh, how do we exactly make the immunity paste? How do we make that immunity tea or the antioxidant pickle? So, as a part of educating the patients, I have decided to make small videos to show you how to actually make these recipes. So, let's begin. The first recipe is immunity paste. That's Saturn, what we call in Marathi. The first ingredient is the turmeric. Turmeric, as you can see, this looks little different than the turmeric that we get in market. Basically, this is not bleached, so the active ingredient is more in amount. So try to get unbleached turmeric. So you have to take about 1/4 teaspoon. This is a teaspoon and this is a tablespoon. So that this is the basic difference. So you have to take a teaspoon and take about 1/4 teaspoon of the turmeric. Yeah, this is 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Now, turmeric contains curcumin, the bioactive compound, which I have been telling you about, is responsible for, it gives you antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Also has immune boosting properties. Okay, but unfortunately, the curcumin is not very well absorbed by the body. So, what you need is the pepper. Pepper contains papain. Even a small pinch of pepper added to this will actually increase the absorption of curcumin by 2000%. So now remember, anytime you put turmeric, add a pinch of pepper. So you will actually get the benefit of the active ingredient. Right? Now the third ingredient is cinnamon. Now cinnamon is basically the inner bark of the tree. There are two types of cinnamons. This is called cassia, which comes in flat sticks like this, which we generally get. And this is the Ceylon cinnamon, which comes in the rolled form and in the layer form, as you can see here. Try to buy this cinnamon because the Ceylon cinnamon contains the powerful polyphenolic compounds. So try to make powder out of the Ceylon or Sri Lankan cinnamon. Okay, so you have to basically add 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon as well. And cinnamon has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant properties. Yeah. The third ingredient is the ginger. The active compound in ginger is gingerols. These gingerols are actually responsible for antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory properties. You have to take also, now what I'm using is the ginger powder, which we call suntha or salt. You have to take the same amount, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder. Mix all these ingredients, yeah, and make a paste either using honey. Half a teaspoon of honey is good enough. Half or 1/4 teaspoon of honey is good enough. Or you can use hot water. Any of the two. Any of the two. And then you can, this is what we call saturn, because you have to basically lick it. Yeah, you can't just have it, you will have to lick it to finish it. And then have a glass of warm water in which you squeeze a lime. Yeah, so either you use honey or you use warm water, as much amount as is required to make a smooth paste. Okay, and once you have this, you can have a glass of warm water with lime squeezed into it, or you can add this paste to boiling water and have that hot water in which you can add either avla juice or lemon juice. So this is a simple recipe of immunity paste or saturn. So basically you have to eat it, consume it like tastes nice. So the second recipe that I'm going to demonstrate today is the antioxidant pickle. Basically, all the ingredients that we will be using in this pickle have antioxidant properties as well as antimicrobial, antifungal properties and will boost your immunity. So we are going to use the amba halad, which looks like this, and I have grated it here. We are going to use the white turmeric, which looks like this. It looks as a root, it looks very close to the ginger, but when you cut open, you know that it is not ginger. It is white turmeric. The third ingredient is ginger. Fourth one is avla, our superfood avla. And the fifth one is lemon. Now, starting with Amba Haldi, it has antibacterial, antifungal, and antioxidant properties. Now, this Amba Haldi has special properties for the skin, and it is beneficial for the skin and various skin disorders. It is prescribed in natural medicine. Talking about white haldi has anti-allergic properties and anti-inflammatory properties, and it is very good for digestive purposes. It actually treats some of the digestive disorders. The third ingredient is ginger, which we know. Gingerols are the polyphenolic compounds giving you anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. The fourth ingredient, avla, is the true superfood in its true sense. It actually contains, it has the highest amount of vitamin C compared to any other fruit or berry. It has 20 times more vitamin C than an orange. This Indian gooseberry is actually very good, and you can use it in various preparations, and I have purposely used it in this pickle so that you get a boost of immunity. Yeah. So I have grated all these in small quantities, but you can always use it in more quantities. What you need to do is just grate all these 5 superfoods in equal proportion. As you see, I have grated them in almost equal proportions. Mix them together. The Amba Haldi, the white haldi, the ginger. This pickle will not last like any other pickle because we are not using oil. We are not using excessive amount of salt. So it does not have any preservatives. Natural preservatives, whatever it has, it will be used. I am putting the avla, grated avla, and all that you need to do is put a pinch of rock salt. Now, rock salt, you all are aware, is called Sendha Namak. It contains many more essential minerals besides sodium. In fact, the sodium content in Sendha Namak is much lower than the regular salt that we use. And it has iron, it has zinc, manganese and copper. Exactly the 4 minerals which is required to boost your immunity. So I encourage people to use more of Sendha Namak in many recipes, many foods. So you can use your own discretion how much salt that you want to add. It is less than even 1/4 teaspoon, and you have to top it up with the lemon juice. And lemon juice should be added in liberal quantities. Literally all the grated ingredients should soak in lemon juice, should be soaked in lemon juice. There you are. If you can really eat 1 teaspoon of this in everyday meal, you will really get a great boost in your immunity. You're getting a lot of anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. But this has to be kept in refrigerator. Mix well. Now you can add a pinch of pepper if you wish to enhance the curcumin absorption. But basically the recipe goes like this. And let me tell you, the taste of this pickle is slightly pungent, slightly sharp. So if you want to add a little bit of honey to make it more palatable for children, you can do that. Otherwise, you have to just mix it together, put a lid and keep it in a container like this and keep it refrigerated. So it will last for about a week. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe demonstration, and I strongly encourage you to incorporate these recipes in your daily diet, which will boost your immunity. Your suggestions are welcome, and in case you wish to see any more of these recipes, healthy recipes, do let me know and I'll try to incorporate them in the next videos. Stay safe, stay healthy and cultivate good eating habits.